Where is the trash folder on Canva? Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen with three dots. After you're in More, scroll down and click on Trash. After you click on Trash, you'll find all these options at the top. Design trash, images trash, videos trash, and files trash. You can also click on the three dots of the trash and restore or delete from trash as well. And after you do that, you're good to go. And this is where you find trash folder and Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.